position, giving you a
KC-135 and C-17 Stuart Airshow.
Operation that typically happens miles above the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, inbound from the left. Stand and cheer. Let's make some noise for our United States Air Force and the heavies, KC-135 and the C-17. The break and take a round of applause from Aviation Training Command and our United States Air Force. As the aircraft break formation, the KC-135 is maneuvering for a landing attitude demonstration. As they do so, I'd like to introduce the crew flying for you here today. They are Major Justin Griswold, Major Vic Duro, and Captain Tim